Hi, I'm now in Towneplace Suites, downtown Riverwalk here in San Antonio, Texas by Marriott. And I will show you my room. I got the king suite and this is what it looks like. So we have ref here and then we have a sink, mini kitchenette. So there's a electric stove here and then it's complete also with kitchen utensils. So you have can opener, bottle opener, wine bottle opener, spoon and fork, knives. And then here we have a pot holder and strainer. We also have a dishwashing machine. And then we also have here above we have a dinnerware. We also have an oven here. And on this side you can see a mini closet and there's an inclusion of ironing board, laundry bag, and then some extra linen and trash can is also here. Is like this one, not the card type. Here we have the mini cabinet and we have a television and we have a lamp here and our table and we have a couch and then coffee table, and we have two bed counters with respective lamps, and this is the king size bed. I'll show you the bathroom. So we have here tissue and one soap and then I don't know, lotion, and then the mirror. We have face towels and we have one big towel here and three bath towels. Our showers with bathroom amenities such as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then the room rate that I got here is around $135 per night. And I hope you like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!